average, mga 1,800 deliveries.
Nationwide statistics yan.
Nationwide, mayroon pang yung above 15 years old, 5,000 plus a year. Average, 12 to 15, 3,000 a year. 9 to 11 years old, 2,700 a year. Average.
In drug-related.
Oh.
Balita.
Violation of 9344, mas maliit eh. 973. Walang may kaso. Kaya wala sila dapat ikabahala. Walang may kaso ni isa. Pero compare mo rin sa 2017, 887 rape cases.
Ano yan, sir? PNP data?
2018, yes.
2018.
862 rape cases.
PNP data. So yun yung point nyo talaga, yung crimes being committed straight by those
By the minors.
minors.
So dapat intervention program, dapat rehabilitate sila, dapat ipaalam sa kanila, responsable sila, mali yung ginagawa nila. Hindi pakawalan sila dahil bata sila.